Hello, welcome to our tutorial on Image Hotspot Widget. One look is worth 1,000 words. Are you finding it challenging to convey crucial information related to your products on images? When you add all the essential information in images, it will be easier for customers to make quicker buying decisions. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon to customize the Image Hotspot widget on your current design. In the Widget panel drop-down, select Image Hotspot. Choose a suitable style variant from the different available variants. Drag and drop the variant to the design. Now, hover over the block and click Add/Edit Content. Under the Add/Edit Content pop-up, select the image you want to add to the widget. Please note the aspect ratio of the image should be equal to the variant ratio that you have chosen. Now, select the variants for your hotspot. Choose a style and click Add Point. Hotspot is added to the image. Drag and place it in the right place. Click the Edit icon. The Add/Edit Hotspot window comes into view. Here, you can choose to link to a product, collection, or an external URL. For instance, if you add a product from the product drop-down, the product is selected and you can see a preview of it here. To display the product image, enable the product image toggle. If you want to include any custom text, enable the custom text toggle. Now, add an appropriate title and description for this hotspot. You can replicate the same steps for collections. However, for the external URL, enter the destination URL. Then, fill in the title and description. Click Save. Your first hotspot is ready. Similarly, you can add and configure many hotspots in one image. Once you have added all the hotspots, click Save. Now, let's customize the widget. Hover over the block and click Edit Style. Please note that you can see a preview of the customizations you do here on the right side mobile screen. You can change the radius, padding, and container padding here. Now, let's add a title for the block. Under the widget title field, you can customize the title. Change the text alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight to make your widget title engaging. Under the tooltip setting, you can customize the font color and background color of the tooltip displayed in the hotspots. Decorate the background of your widget with an image or color using the background section. Click Color to add a suitable color. Select Image to upload a suitable image from your computer. On selecting None, you can choose to have no background. To add shadow to your widget, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Click Save. As a next step, let's see how to copy the block. Hover your mouse and select Copy Block. Once the block is copied, navigate to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. Your block is copied. You can also remove this block by clicking the Remove Block option. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the Image Hotspot widget on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your Image Hotspot widget on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with using widgets in your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.